Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the best freelancing platform. I will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you start earning money from this amazing freelancing platform. But that's not all. I will also share some effective tips to ensure your success in the freelancing arena. So stick around till the end because you will not want to miss this. First things first, let's introduce you to this freelancing platform that is Legit. It's a go-to platform for freelancers and clients looking to connect and collaborate on various projects. Legit is known for its user-friendly interface, secure payment options, and a wide range of services. Whether you are a graphic designer, writer, digital marketer, or have any other skill to offer, Legit is your freelancing paradise. Now let's get you started on your freelancing journey. The first step is to create your Legit profile. It's like your digital business card. Make sure to fill in all the necessary details, showcase your skills, and add a professional profile picture. This builds trust and credibility, which is crucial in this freelancing world. Legit has a plethora of categories to create gigs. To make money, start browsing through these categories, and when you find one that matches your skills, then create your gig in that category. Make sure to write a compelling description of your gig to stand out from the competition. Remember, the key is to show clients why you are the best choice for their project. Now let's talk about the money part. Legit ensures secure payments. Once you complete an order, you can withdraw your earnings hassle-free. Whether it's PayPal, bank transfer, or any other method, Legit has got you covered. Just make sure to provide your payment details in your profile. Success in freelancing is about more than just joining a platform. Here are some tips to boost your freelancing career. Specialize and build expertise in your niche. Communicate effectively with clients to understand their needs. Deliver high quality work on time. Build a strong portfolio to showcase your skills. Network with other freelancers for collaborations and support. If you want to learn more about freelancing and how to get clients through a number of different ways, then I have something more for you. Here is a complete beginner guide to freelancing. This ebook will provide you with all the necessary details that you need to succeed in this field. It will give you a complete roadmap that you can follow and become financially independent. I will provide its link in description box below. Download it from there and start earning money. Remember, freelancing offers you the freedom to work on your terms, and Legit can be your ticket to financial independence. The link of this website is also in description box below, so sign up today, create your profile, and start your freelancing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.